Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends not opening easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do is just click here and then type game mode settings, and after that once you're here, first enable this option, go to captures, and then turn off those two options and go to Xbox Game Bar and then turn off this option, and after that click here and type startup apps, and now just turn off all the applications that you don't want it to start when you start your PC, applications that you don't need it, and then restart your PC. And after starting your PC, right click on League of Legends and click run as administrator. Now your problem must be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem, then all you have to do is just click here apps and features, and then type here League of Legends, and now click on it and click on install, and then after that install it again. And that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.